Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi everyone, I'm David, also a Sephora Beauty Director, and we just watched the cutest movie
I'm obsessed!
from Netflix, To All the Boys, P.S. I Still Love You, which I do. It was such a good movie. I still love it.
I'm a hopeless romantic.
You are a
this
big
movie,
hopeless romantic.
Yes, rom-coms are like right up my alley. I love like a love story with a little bit of a twist, and this one, the love triangle, is like
I know, it's very good
Juicy.
movie. And also exciting is Sephora partnered with some of our favorite brands to create some really fun sets inspired by this movie and its main character, Lara Jean.
Right.
So they have some really good sets we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the movie a little bit. We really loved it. I mean, I think anyone who watches this movie can find something to relate to, something to grab onto, and just enjoy. It's a truly joyful movie.
Truly. So
That's a great way to say it, yeah.
Truly. So in this video, we're going to go through and share with you some of our favorite moments and maybe some products that might have been inspired by that moment and how you might live
Live the life.
Your best Lara Jean.
Yes, exactly. So I think we definitely have to start with this opening scene
I
because we
know.
both loved this.
So cute.
All right, let's watch it. Oh, she is so cute, first of all.
She is feeling herself.
She is. And I have a feeling this is you in your bedroom.
totally.
And that hair.
I know.
So
iconic.
good.
I definitely feel like Lara Jean's like signature style is that she kind of styles herself hair first, you know?
Yes, I agree.
And I think that really speaks to her wild attitude, her vivaciousness, and definitely like her fun spirit.
Yeah.
And she definitely always incorporates some kind of really cute accessory, right? To like really take it to the next level. So first up from Kitsch.
These are so cute.
Right? I'm obsessed. This is To All the Boys I've Loved Before Scrunchie set. Now, it comes in two colorways that you can see here. We've got like kind of like a gray and a blue, and then you've got a pink and a rose.
And these are kind of the colors in the movie. I have to say the color scheme in the movie in general is beautiful. And it's this soft, delicious color palette.
That's
I love
definitely,
it.
I think, one of the things that David was talking about really connecting to was kind of like the dreamy attitude and sequence. So you kind of get that with here. And there's such fun textures. And, you know, I love a scrunchie moment. You know, you're heading to trigonometry on a Tuesday and you need to put your hair up on the go. Why not do it fab, right? Like have a little pineapple and have a moment.
I love it. I think these are so cute. When we saw these after seeing the movie, I was like, oh, this is a cute set.
Right.
This is totally the vibe of this movie.
For
It
sure.
just feels right, you know?
And I feel like I could even wear it as like an accessory.
It's
So
totally
like these are gonna be for
accessories.
me too.
These are
obsessed.
super cute.
So
Super
cute, Kitsch. So of course, you know, we had to include a ton of iconic hair moments for sure. Love the accessories options. They're so cute. This is also from Kitsch, and this is gonna be To All the Boys I've Loved Before Hatbox gift set.
So cute.
Obsessed with this. It's definitely inspired by the Hatbox that Lara Jean keeps under her bed and has all of her love letters in, so you can even see them inside, which is super
Packaging
cute.
is really good on this.
Adorable. I definitely think this is extremely giftable for sure. I think this would make anybody happy.
And commemorative.
And commemorative for sure. So if you have a fan, you know a fan that really loves the movie, definitely this is one to snatch really quickly. Inside, you're going to get a ton of hair accessories, which are really cute. You're gonna get this little scrunchie here, much like the scrunchie that she wears in the opening sequence. You know, like kind of just tossed up in the hair, having fun, right?
Playful.
Like,
when you're dancing in your room.
Exactly. Love that.
Which we know you're all doing.
Love that. And then you kind of have like a medium moment here. I think that this one's a really cute little bow barrette that you can kind of clip into like a ponytail or something like that, just to kind of elevate it and sort of take it to the next level. And then last, you're gonna get these two little like glam little hairpins in here that really take a look to kind of like a sophisticated nighttime sparkly style.
I love it too because when you watch the movie, the main character Lara Jean has this very like modern vintage style to her all around. Her whole style has this modern vintage feel, which I very much appreciate. That's very much in my wheelhouse of aesthetics.
Right.
And I love this. This carries over that similar modern vintage cool girl.
Right.
It just has a very cool vibe to this whole gift set. I think a lot of people will enjoy that.
I know, definitely. I kind of related to that with Lara Jean. Like, growing up, I was definitely shopping a lot of vintage and mixing it with new stuff. So it was definitely similar to my style. I could relate. So what do you got next?
Okay, so up next is from Amika. And this is the To All the Boys I've Loved Before Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush. This is such a cute little set. And I think what's really cute about this is when you think about the movie, I agree with you. The main character, Lara Jean, her hair is really good throughout the whole movie.
Right,
I was like,
totally.
all right, this hair is on point.
Yeah.
But she does often have really beautifully straight and silky smooth hair.
Right.
And here we have a great kit to help you achieve that.
Right.
So if you've never used this before, the Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush is really easy. Basically, you just run it slowly through and it smooths your hair out. It's kind of like your flat iron and your brush kind of met and
in the
hybridized somewhere in the middle. So it's a really easy way to sort of just like basically comb through your hair, remove frizz, and kind of create that soft, smooth, luxurious hair. Okay, let's take this out because it's so cute. First of all, this little bag is super cute too.
And it's wrapped with like inspired
so
stuff.
Cute with like stuff from the movie
like
on
Adler.
it. Yeah,
so
names,
cute.
little letters.
Yes, I love that.
And if you've never used this before, the Polished Perfection straightening brushes are basically like a hybrid between your straightener and a brush. So it's a great, easy way to just slowly comb through your hair, and it removes frizz. It creates that soft, smooth, straight, luxurious hair that I think Lara Jean is known for in the movie, you know. So it's a great way to achieve her look, you know.
Right.
And I just think it's a really cute, easy set for anyone who wants that quick, polished hair.
Right. You know, I think, you know, if I relate back when I was in high school, you know, and there was only a little bit of time before class and you didn't necessarily have time to do your hair really quickly. So this could be cute to keep in your locker, you know, for a quick touch up, you know, in between first and second period. Because, you know, I know some of you have like physical education first and I've been jacking up your hair. So this is really nice.
And that's what this is good. You do get the little dry shampoo from Amika in there.
So you get the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is really great for kind of refreshing. I could see this in any locker. This is so cute.
Or in any desk drawer. Because some of us are not in high school anymore, but we still enjoy this movie.
It's true.
No, but
I'm sorry, I'm just there.
No, I know you are. It's super cute. But I just think this is a really cute hair kit. I think Amika did a great job on this.
Okay, so next up is a scene that, like, of course I had to pick because I'm so gushy. You ready?
How was your first date?
It was perfect.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good night.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
He feels very successful there.
Yes, and you know, I feel like that was the moment that you really knew that he was into her, and you're like, yes, she's got him, you know?
And I love what you said about the blushing, because she does look, she did look super cute on that date night. It was a very good beauty moment for Lara Jean.
For sure. And you know, I feel like that's a theme throughout the movie. There's lots of like love blush and lots of flushy looks. So to achieve that, from Kaja, we have To All the Boys I've Loved Before, P.S. I Still Love You. So inside the box, you're gonna get all kinds of fun goodies from Kaja that are kind of their iconic products. You know, you get the Moon Crystal eyeshadow. I know you love these.
I do love these. These are so beautiful.
And then you're also gonna get 2 of their iconic heart-shaped products, which I love, and I keep in my own kit. I'm so obsessed with these products. This is the Cheeky Stamp, and then you also have the Heart Melter, like, Lippy. This is a really beautiful, glossy lip balm texture that comes in that really cute heart shape. So, you know, if you weren't in love already, this is definitely going to inspire you.
Yeah,
like,
definitely.
I am obsessed.
It's a great little set for eyes, cheeks, lips. It gives you everything you need to create that perfect first date look.
Of course.
You know, it's super cute. I love all the products. The colors are really great shades that a lot of people are going to benefit from. I love this. I think this is adorable.
That rose gold looks
it's
amazing.
It's so beautiful.
Now, what I love about this particular shade is like where the light catches it, you get a really pretty like
it's a mix of like a copper and a pink.
Yeah.
There's a depends on how you hold your hand, which is why
shadows,
I love these so much.
Yeah, so gorgeous.
And they set, which is really great. So if you happen to get a little teary-eyed, You don't have to worry.
During
You're
the
still gonna look
movie.
gorgeous.
That's so cute.
I love these. These are fantastic.
Thank you, Kaja. Nailed it.
Okay, so the next scene I think is probably one of my favorite scenes. Super cute. Let's watch.
Aw, you guys look amazing. I love Korean New Year.
I really wish I was there.
Yeah, we do too.
I'm gonna send you a gazillion pictures.
Time. We gotta go. My girls.
I think that scene is adorable. I love the
sure.
colors. I love the little outfits that they're wearing. What are they?
Hatbox?
Yeah, that's what
Yes,
it's called.
beautiful.
I think they're so gorgeous, and it's just cute. It's cute the way the dad sees him and he gets all emotional. It's adorable. I love that
Yeah.
scene. But I think it does tie back to that sort of skincare vibe, you know, and how skincare is something that's passed along. But also, I think when you look at the whole movie, not just the scene,
right.
Laura Jean's face
It's
is
just
always
like,
glowing.
ding. So
Girl is
beautiful.
on glow.
Yeah.
Her skin is flawless this
love
whole
it.
movie. So, you know, you'd be remiss not to have some sort of skincare kits in this whole selection,
Yeah,
right?
for sure.
So, of course, first up, we have from Glow Recipe, To All the Boys I've Loved Before, the Love Letter. So this is such a cute set.
Mm-hmm.
We love Glow Recipe. We're big fans. Cute packaging. Two key iconic products of theirs. Let's take them
it's
out.
special
I know
limited
you love
edition
this
packaging.
one.
I'm
Limited
like,
edition. So cute with the little writing on it. So This is the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist, which if you've never used, I highly recommend it. First of all, that sprayer is heaven. It's the most misty of misties.
Yes, it
is
sounds like a
delicious.
fog,
It
you
is
know?
like a fog, but
Yeah.
it's a great hydrating mist, radiance mist. It boosts your natural glow, so you have that gorgeous glowing skin like Laura Jean. You know,
Yeah, and it's got that like iconic watermelon scent.
it's so good.
Really refreshing.
It's such a
Keep
good
that
smell.
baby in the fridge.
Yes.
Ooh, you got a treat. And then also you're getting the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask as well. Now this is really a great mask to encourage that guang or glow, as they say in
Okay,
Korean.
all
I actually
right.
learned that from Sarah and Christine from Glow Recipe myself. So
Oh,
I really
fantastic.
yeah, thanks ladies for teaching me some of your culture and sharing it with me. Now inside of here you've got some really beautiful pineapple enzymes and extracts that are really helping to kind of polish the skin
Yeah.
and give you a really beautiful radiance.
Yeah, like
while
that
you sleep.
super dewy skin when you wake up. It just looks so hydrated, and gorgeous.
like
Yeah.
a little bubble.
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah, I love this. This is such a cute kit, and again, super commemorative. Like all of
sure.
these, I feel like they did a really great job at capturing the vibe of this movie. And there's one more thing in here, which is super cute. So they put this little letter in, and basically it's a little love letter to your skin. It says, "Dear skin, .. and you fill it in.
So cute.
And it's from the Glow Gang, and it's just really cute, and it's reminiscent of, you know, the main character, Laura Jean, and her love letters, and, you know, how it ties back to the movie. It's just a super cute commemorative moment for this whole set. I think it's adorable. I think it's a really cute little cherry on top of this great set. Okay, so I know you have one more skincare product to go along with this scene.
Now this one's really cute. This is actually a little dynamic duo. I really think it's super cute. This is from Laneige, and this is To All the Boys I've Loved Before, sealed with a kiss set. Now this is really adorable. First off, it looks like a little postcard or a letter, which I think is really cute again.
Yes, tying back.
And then inside, you're gonna get 2 minis of their little lip sleeping mask. You're gonna get the mint chocolate and then the sweet candy, which is really nice.
These are good.
Now, I think this is super adorable. It's a lot like Kitty and Laura Jean together, like, you know, 2 little friends, peas in a pod. Always, you could gift this to one of your best
I was just going to say
friends,
that, yeah.
You know, I think for holidays. So let's take a look. I'm going to open this up. The chocolate mint flavor actually released at Sephora, which is really cute. And then here I have, this is the sweet candy, which is kind of bubblegum flavored. But I love it because Laneige gave you 2 options. So unlike Laura Jean, you don't have to choose between 2 boys, which is really cute.
You don't have to choose between 2 lip masks. You can have them all.
Have them both.
You can have them both. You can use the chocolate mint on the top lip. And you can
Just
use the other
stop
one.
it. You need to stop. I am literally obsessed with this movie. I can't wait for the third one. I know that there's one coming, so I'm like bated breath.
It was a very cute movie. I loved it. I know it's definitely in your rom-com world. I think a lot of people are going to really enjoy this. Hopefully you have enjoyed all these great sets too, because these are really good. I mean, whether or not you like the movie or you're into the movie, there's some great beauty here. And there's some great beauty in the movie, which is definitely worth checking out. Even just like Lara Jean's style is on point.
Right. So if
It's
you need some
so
inspo, definitely catch her because she is a makeup maven for sure.
So definitely go to Netflix too to watch the movie. Don't forget it's To All the Boys. P.S. I Still Love You.
Yes, and comment your favorite scene from the movie in the comment section below. We want to hear what you loved about it for sure.
Yeah, or what your favorite look was of hers.
That'd be cute too.
Because that's a cute thing too. Because there's some good looks. The yellow headbands. Just saying, in the school, it's very good. It's very good.
Okay,
Caught
no
my
spoilers.
attention.
No spoilers.
No spoilers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week.
And until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Ciao for now.